Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This car came in because the customer complained about weird noises coming from their differential. This customer came in for an oil change, but the mechanic happened to see the state of the tires and suggested to the customer to get them replaced. Customer declined and got pissed off because they thought that the mechanic was trying to rip them off. This customer stated that they had just filled their car with gas, parked it on the road for the night, but the next morning the car wouldn't start and their fuel light was on. Now this customer had a pretty weird problem. She came in because she said that her car was not starting the way that it should.
Go in,
Because it won't close.
and we lock. You can't tell me you've ever seen that before.
This customer complains about their car shaking a lot over 40 miles an hour. Customer states, put new pads on and now have a bad grinding noise. The technician found that they had accidentally put the pads on backwards. And this customer came in to get a new wheel installed and the mechanic noticed this. It also had just 3 lug nuts when it rolled in and they were all finger tight. And this car has an issue with water getting into the junction box, which causes some pretty strange issues, like the accelerator going wide open when in park.
Now I'm going to put it in park.
Customer states, engine light, ABS, and traction light keeps showing up.
Is that a bullet hole? Why, yes it is.
And this customer states, I keep hearing a cowbell anytime I hit potholes. The customer later found out that his friends have been pranking him for the past 6 months. And this customer drove over 4.5 hours on a bad tire and had it blow out on them about 12 miles from the shop. Customer states, my back wheel jiggles when going in reverse. And this truck came in for an alignment after the owner had installed a liftgate on it by themselves.
Probably fine.
Customer states, something's wrong with my engine, the engine light keeps coming on. The owner of this Mustang came in because they heard a strange noise at low speeds and thought they had a serious mechanical problem. The mechanic found a slightly detached sticker on the drive shaft that was spanking the bottom of the car. And this car came in for an oil change, but the mechanic found that it missed the oil cap and was 3.5 quarts low on engine oil. Customer states, car makes farting sound when shifting into park. Customer states, my rear end is all over the road.
Here's some irony for you.
And sometimes all you need is just a little quick fix. And this customer was trying to document their airbag light coming on when this happened. Customer states, went to a cheap repair shop to get a remote start installed, but now my car acts weird. And this RV came in for a loud brake noise, and this is what the technician ended up finding. The brakes ended up being fine, but the tires were over 25 years old. This car drove to the shop in this state. The customer apparently declined all repairs and it ended up leaving on a tow truck. This mechanic was doing the timing belt on the Subaru when he discovered that the last person doing it had forgot something and things seemed a little loose. This customer states wobbling and clunking sound heard during acceleration. Customer states belt does not want to retract. The owner of this Chrysler managed to drive 30 miles to the shop with this bad of an oil leak. This customer states, whenever I spray my windshield it goes anywhere but there.
Oh.
And this customer came in because they suspected that they had accidentally poured their tall cappuccino instead of oil into their engine.
Holy.
Customer states, drove into ditch because I tried to not hit a mouse on the road. This truck driver said that he started having transmission issues in the middle of nowhere and had to drive over 800 miles on only 3rd, 6th, 7th and 9th gear to get to the shop. Customer came into the shop and said that they think they have to replace their engine because they kept hearing a weird noise while the car was idling. This customer came in because they had driven through a small puddle and now had issues with their brake lights. This customer came in because their car was leaking oil after an oil change at a quick lube shop. Apparently, they had filled the engine with ATF instead of engine oil. And when the oil looks like this, it's probably time to change it. This customer came in to get their wheels balanced. And this customer came in with some engine issues, but stated that the previous owner had put a new engine in only 10,000 miles ago. This car came in because the customer complained about the Bluetooth for his stereo not working properly. When the mechanic removed some trim to access the fuse box, he noticed that the car had been properly seasoned with curry. The owner of this classic Mercedes changed the wheel bearings by themselves, but forgot to tighten the axle nuts. And this customer complained about a metallic noise coming from the front of the car.
Oh my god. No, that's good. That's crazy.
And this customer had their power steering fixed recently, but still complains about the wheel feeling kinda heavy. And this customer came in to have the mechanic check this car out before buying it. Apparently, the current owner had stated that she was roadworthy in the ad. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.